Understanding accordion repairs, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a unique phrase, accordion repairs. If you're curious about what this phrase means and how it's used in English, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First, let's break down the phrase, accordion repairs, into two parts. An accordion is a type of musical instrument, known for its pleated, hand-operated bellows. It produces sound by pressing keys or buttons, and it's often used in folk music. The word repairs refers to the act of fixing something that is broken or damaged. So, when we combine these words, accordion repairs refers to the process of fixing or restoring an accordion to its proper working condition. Now, let's see how the phrase is used in real-life contexts. Accordion repairs can be used in different settings. 1. Music stores. We offer accordion repairs along with other musical instrument services. 2. Musicians' discussions. I need to find a good place for accordion repairs. My instrument has been sounding a bit off lately. 3. Advertisements. Specialized in accordion repairs. Bring your instrument back to life. Understanding the context helps grasp the practical use of the phrase. Why is this phrase important for English learners? Well, it's an excellent example of how English combines nouns, accordion, with verbs, repairs, to form a specific meaning. Such phrases are common in English, especially in professional and hobby-related contexts. Learning them enhances your vocabulary and helps you understand more about English-speaking cultures, particularly their music and craftsmanship. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, accordion repairs. Remember, language learning is not just about words, it's also about understanding the culture and context behind them. Keep exploring, and you'll find English full of fascinating phrases like this one. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.